Hello, my name is Gary and I live in a town called Bucyrus, Kansas, about 40 miles south of Kansas City, fairly close to the Missouri-Kansas state line. After looking at all these tornadoes on the news, I'm starting to wonder what exactly is holding my house onto my foundation. Came down the basement and took a look, and if you can see this plate right here, this plate is actually bolted to the concrete, which is great. However, what is holding the house to this plate, if you can see this nail right here, they have toe-nailed the floor joist into that plate. Now, I'm not sure, but this may be a standard practice of how they nail houses to foundations. In my eyes, it's not such a great thing. And in my case, not even, if you can see this other floor joist, not even every floor joist is nailed to that plate. Well, for a little peace of mind, I've kind of come up with an idea. If I can swing over here, you see in houses, or at least in houses I've seen, these are clips that go all the way through the foundation wall, and these actually hold the forms while the concrete is being poured. And these have holes in them. And I have used half-inch reinforcement rod, and I've run through all of the holes in these clips. Now, these brackets that you're seeing right now have not yet been bolted on, but my idea here is that I'm running this rebar through these actually just pieces of shelf angle iron that I've cut, and then I'm going to attach the other end of the shelf angle iron to the foundation, to the floor joist rather, with two 3/8 inch by probably 2 inch lag bolts. And I'm going to try to do that every floor joist, and hopefully that's going to give me a little more insurance to maybe at least at the bare minimum hold the floor onto the top of the foundation. Of course, if we take a direct hit from a tornado, all bets are off, but at least if the wind takes the house off of the floor and I have held the floor on the foundation, at least that's going to keep stuff out of my basement, and I think it's going to keep myself, my wife, and my dogs safe in the basement. So I encourage you to, take a look at your foundation, take a look at how your house is attached to your foundation, and if it's something similar to mine, maybe you could, if you don't have the metal clips, drill some concrete holes and maybe screw an angle iron into the side of the concrete. I think it's going to help. It's going to give me a little more peace of mind. So again, this is Gary from Bucyrus, Kansas, and I appreciate your watching. Thanks.